What's going on, guys? Steph, what's going on, guys?
I am taking laundry upstairs, finishing up everything that I have to do to hit the road.
We got two paintings here. This one's getting sent off today, and this one I have to put. Oh. You okay?
All right.
Careful, sweetheart. We're weighing it. Let's check this here. Power. There it is. All right. Look at that. Exactly 2 pounds. We got some coffee.
Awesome.
Gonna run back in quickly to return this. We don't need it.
We are going down to Pennsylvania to actually celebrate a belated birthday with my dad and spend some time tomorrow with my sister and my grandmother and my Ishland family because my sister is leaving this weekend to move overseas. And I'm not gonna get to see her for a long time, so I'm trying to get some family time in.
I feel ya. What's up, Pennsylvania? What's up?
Best state in the nation.
Well, I don't know about that.
Hey, if it wasn't for Pennsylvania, you wouldn't have the Declaration of Independence and the Constitution, both drafted in Pennsylvania.
I don't even know what to say to that.
What's up?
It was people that drafted it, not Pennsylvania.
Yeah, but the first capital of the U.S. was in Pennsylvania, so.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
I thought they didn't have a capital. I thought it was a moving, like they would do the Continental Congress in a different... Listen to me, sound... That sounded pretty good, didn't it?
It was Pennsylvania, and then it was New York, and then it was back in Pennsylvania, and then it went down to D.C.
We're gonna have to fact check that.
We'll fact check that later, once we get cell phone signal again.
Got some rainbow action right here. Welcome to DuBois, downtown DuBois.
We are here. We have to pay the parking pass.
Are you sure?
Out of order. I guess we don't have to pay tonight.
Nice. Good news.
Must be our lucky day.
It is indeed. We are here at Luigi's restaurant, which is the most famous in DuBois. It's Italian.
What'd you get?
Anything else? Thank you for
We got the wild mushroom ravioli with marinara sauce.
Wow. Wild mushrooms in there. Mm-hmm. I went to 3 cheese lasagna.
that one too.
Guys, check out this salad. Oh, with French fries and cheese on it.
Mm-hmm. That is what you call a traditional Pennsylvania salad. I love them.
How's dinner, sweetheart?
It was delicious. Now we're heading to where we're staying for the night.
I feel like we're on vacation. This is their house?
I guess so.
Where's the house? Oh my goodness. Whoa. Got
Some pretty night sky.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. You're friendly. This is Winston. Hey, Winston. You're a big doggy. Our bedroom for the evening. Cozying in. How you liking the bed?
It's comfy enough.
Is it?
Yeah, I'm gonna sleep tonight.
You gonna sleep tonight? As opposed to other nights? Sometimes you don't sleep.
Of course.
Looking snacksy. There's 3 of us in here. Boom. You gonna get up on the bed in the middle of the night and scare us? Take up all the space? Nah, you friendly doggies. Check out our bathroom for the night. That's right there. That's the tub. Double sink. Yep. Yeah.
Thank you.
For what?
No, the people who were staying in their house, they actually probably will watch this video, so thank you.
Thank you. Yes, thank you. No, we're taking over. One night.
I'm figuring out which side of the bed I want to be on. This side.
That's normally my side.
I know. We're trading for the night.
We traded from when we were in Korea, and now we'll take either side, both of us.
Yeah.
So what, that side sinks? It does, doesn't it? With your little skinny body, it sinks.
No comment.
She gave me the bad side, guys. Bark. We're whispering because their dad's the next room over. Big day tomorrow, hanging out with the fam. It's actually quite emotional, even though this is just a video for you. But thanks for watching, you guys. We'll see you tomorrow. That's it. We're out of here. Hasta luego. Hey, little sweet peas. You gonna help Mom paint? Or you just gonna fist bump with your nose?